Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
By the powers conferred on me,
226 students of the Armed Forces Commandant Staff College Jaji are being conferred with the past staff course PSC. They assembled at the college on the 20th of August 2020. The conferment of PSC means they can now function as grade 1 officers with higher responsibilities. President Muhammadu Buhari, who was represented by the Minister of Defense, Major General Bashir, Magashi, retired, said most security challenges facing the world today are asymmetric and transborder in nature. He commended the armed forces for working tirelessly to combat the threats through training as well as synergy with other institutions and nations.
The response of the armed forces of Nigeria to Boko Haram insurgency, banditry, militancy, kidnapping, as well activities of separatists and armed militia, among others, have been commendable. The federal government will continue to provide the required guidelines and support to ensure that the desired end state is achieved.
The curriculum of the past staff course, according to the Commandant of the college, Air Vice Marshal Ebenezer Alade, was reviewed to meet the challenges of the emerging security threats. He tasked the officers to improve themselves and keep abreast with developments within and around the ever-dynamic global environment.
However, do not rest on your horse, for the journey to the top is still tedious.
After 48 weeks of intensive military and academic training, with focus on national security and joint multi-agency cooperation, these senior officers have been told to remain focused because the task ahead is challenging and daunting.